Hello YouTubers, Edgar1976 here. If you saw my other demonstration video about the Lasko Cyclone Pedestal fan, which it does not come with a remote control and other of the full speed fans, here's another demonstration video of other standing fans that I would like to show you right now. Yep, it's the Lasko 4-speed pedestal fan. Yep. This is a much full speed of this other fan, which you can have here in the box, where it says full speed remote control 18-inch pedestal fan. Yep, it does come with the remote control for the pedestal fan. Plus it has a Spanish bilingual, has a high performance series with cool large spaces, 4 high performance speeds, simple no tools assembly. There's the fan right here with remote control, which I'll show you in a minute. Here you can see here's the front. This is made in the USA since 1906. This is the front. The side, where it says 4-speed remote control, widespread oscillation, full pivot, and adjust heights 41 to 53 inches. It does have in Spanish, but if you can take a look on the side, which I'll show you in a bit, the blue plug and some AAA batteries. The other side, same thing, has 4 high performance speeds, and it has a description for this of all types of fan. And this logo in here, the top, my dad bought it online at Walmart, where it says on a sticker, and those other descriptions here. And here's the back. So it came with some instructions of all of this standing pedestal fans. Yep. That includes both English and Spanish right here. You can see those symbols right here is how to install those in those fans right here. Yep. So I might have to keep it as well. Plus it has the remote control, same as my Lasko white remote control, but it has those 2 silver buttons here. The one on the top, on, off button, and the one on the bottom has a full speed fan. So now I'm going to demonstrate this thing and test that out to see how it goes into this. Okay, so this is the all of these 4-speed selector right about now. So this is number 1. Number 1 could be for low speeds. Number 2 could be for higher speeds, which is the medium. Number 3 could be for high speed. And a number 4 could be for extra high speed. Yeah, which is super fast. See? You can also manually, for this type of the speed selections that you pick, as you can see right here. And the other one, the on-off buttons right here, down here. This is the test of this a speed fan. Can you imagine that? Now we're over to oscillate the fan to see how the sound of this room for the fan. Let's try to test it out. Isn't that amazing? See right here, put this thing down. Yeah, I know. If you could put it tilted right here, you can wait at the height right there, just right here. This is the bottom side of this standing fan. And this is the top one of this thing. So I just want to tilt this thing to adjust the fan. Okay, this fan that it tilts on the top, or you could tilt it in the center. So with the pivot, the size of this thing for this fan, I don't know if you can think of it. I know it's been already adjusted for this tilted fan. Alright. Now I'm going to turn this off right now. And how cool is that for the fan? So, which Lasko fan do you prefer, this one? This fan right here with no included remote control, or this fan right here with included remote control? Just let me know in the comment section below. And that's my demonstration of the Lasko 4-speed pedestal fan. If you want to see other of my video of the fan that I already demonstrate, the link is right down here if you want to check that out. So tell us what you think about this interesting fan or any other kind. Just leave a comment. And for more of other of my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until then, this is Edgar 1976. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.